Just climbing out of Devil's Den. Haven't been here since I was 12 years old. It's raining. There's a waterfall.
Here's the waterfall you were asking about.
Oh man, getting wet. Waterfall. Oh man, this is the coolest ever.
This is probably it.
That was unbelievably beautiful. Oh, look at this. God, I'm filming right now. Yeah, that's badass. Unbelievable. Dude, you can't go a quarter mile and not want to stop and take a photo.
Yeah, this thing's that's cool.
Oh, that's unbelievable. I got new brake pads. Long wheelbase, big corner. Yeah, this is unbelievable. Devil's Den. Unbelievable. Oh my gosh. How perfect is this? Oh my God. Sick. Sick. That's unbelievable. Oh, better check my camera, throwing mud everywhere. Beautiful, man, beautiful. Good grip on these minions, baby. Boy, you want to be straight on that. Hey y'all, hey y'all. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Really? We're doing that? Oh no, Kelly, no, no, no. Trials riding, trials riding, trials riding in the water. Got that on video. Amen. You know, they told me to wear extra socks. Now I know why. That's a little tight.
Yeah.
Tree.
Pretty cool right here. Be careful though. I think people crashing this nest.
That's so cool. Pedal. The seat post is sticking. This pivot's just eating it. That's so amazing. This ain't gonna be slick at all. Yeah, Kelly's got a flat right now. Kind of sucks. We tried to CO2 it, and it's leaking out of his valve stem. So we're gonna have to do some surgery.
Ooh,
yeah.
See you back at the campground.
Oh man. All right, guys, I'm cooked. I do, man. Yeah, this is my Arkansas bike. Down here by the river, man. This is beautiful. Jump that. Get out of the mud. Down here in the flats now. Down here on the creek. Kelly's riding his flat. Outlaw loop. Yeah, they got rain here this morning, but this place, oh my, I gotta take a picture, man. I'm stopping. I don't know if y'all can see that. These are Kelly's tracks and his ass is all over the trail because he's got a flat. I stopped to take a photo. And my camera's probably all dirtied up. Man, if y'all haven't been here to the Devil's Den, it's definitely a go-to. This is probably my second favorite from Iron Mountain. But you definitely need to have fresh legs when you come here. I rode on the road yesterday and I am toast. And there's a lot of climbing here and a lot of water. Look at this. Make sure I didn't get the camera. That's cold.